Review update: I was contacted by a neighbor advocate in Ring's community support team. I was pleasantly surprised by this contact after my initial disappointing customer service interaction. The neighbor advocate was obviously more knowledgeable of the product than the first representative, but more importantly he was empowered to address my issue. He discussed the matter with me and agreed to replace the unit altogether. Very happy that Ring and their neighborhood advocate made this right. Original comment: I purchased this unit less than 2 years ago and the plastic doorbell button has cracked. Just got off the phone with support and was told that the button is not replaceable and I'd have to purchase a new unit. So far I love my Ring Elite. I went for the Elite because I wanted the reliability of the hardware as opposed to the wireless, and even though I had to run a cable to my doorbell location, it was worth it for me. The best part was the setup. I couldn't believe how easy it was. It walked me through every step of the way and was set up in about 5 minutes. The wired PO version of the Ring is finally the device to own. No more video cutouts, lockups, messing with Wi-Fi. Running it off a PO Plus port of a local Unify switch make the device also super easy to remote manage. Made a custom 45-degree mount with a Leviton surface mount back box and patched it all in to match the stucco and paint of the house. Best looking doorbell setup we ever had. The Ring Doorbell Elite is everything you need in a video doorbell. The video quality is great. Power is sent through the LAN cable, which makes installation really easy if your house is pre-wired. I like the snooze feature when you are bringing multiple items through the door and going back and forth. The alerts are pretty quick too when motion is detected. When Amazon came to do my smart home install, they changed the power supply for the Ring, which caused it to lock up. Customer service helped me troubleshoot over the phone and ended up replacing my unit for free. All I had to do was send the old unit back in. I've since been using the Ring power supply that came with the new unit and it's been working perfectly since I've installed it, about 2 months. After receiving my Ring Doorbell Elite and installing it as quickly as humanly possible, I realized a small but substantial design flaw in the way you connect the Ethernet and doorbell wire. Having a brick home is both a blessing and curse when it comes to owning this unit. The wires have to come a distance, horizontally, through the wall before connecting to the Ring Doorbell Elite. Well, here's the problem: the harness for the mechanical chime located on the bottom of the Ring Doorbell Elite is also placed vertical on the back side of the unit, as to only accommodate wires coming straight up from the floor below in a thin wall construction. Well, since my wires have to come through the structure and then the brick, not to mention feed down from the ceiling above, this poses a substantial risk to pressure being applied to these connects. Long story short, the low voltage wires, for the doorbell mechanical chime, apply enough pressure on the connection that it broke away from the unit. I think a couple attachments could be added to the box that would mitigate the potential issue of recurrence to potential future customers. Now the greatest news. Ring completely understood my circumstances and they offered me a replacement. This time I took the time to bed the wires in a way that would accommodate the location on the unit. I'm not super pleased with having to bend the wires, however Ring has been awesome and I would buy from them in a heartbeat. Their customer service is outstanding and the unit once connected runs nearly seamless. I love what they have done. I would hope that if they address the couple of issues that it would push this far and above a 5-star rating. I look forward to more of your groundbreaking, innovative products in my home in the future. Thanks, JH. Click link in description for more reviews.